engineer and the manager for this team. So my job is to create a working model of the car that Nikesh designed. I did lots of research about the material that can be used for different parts of our car and choose the suitable one for our car so that it can reach its high state of performance during the competition. I did the research according to some aspect that the team focused on, such as the weight, drag, and the balance of the car. Just in case if some of you don't know this, the body of our car is mostly made out of balsa wood. Since it's basically just a block of wood, we must cut it to make our body. We use the CNC milling machine to cut the wood and a 3D printer to produce the front and rear wing of our car. Thanks to our collaboration with the Polytechnic Merlimau Melaka, the manufacturing process was expedited since they provide us with the CNC machine and a 3D printer. We use this opportunity to make lots of prototypes of our car to make sure that every part has the perfect measurement so that it can be assembled easily. From this, we won't have to waste any of our balsa wood just for testing purposes.
Hello, welcome to Nexus. My name is Kavilan and I am the graphic designer of this team. Nexus is our team name. Nexus F1 was chosen as our team name after a series of discussion between teammates and team advisors. Nexus reflects the connectivity between us members, and this connection will help each and every one of us to do their part successfully. We also believe that this can be found catchy and will stand out in the crowd for any reasonable person. Our motto "Born to Perform" has a similar connotation. We will precisely display our strength in unity to fulfill our individual tasks through mutual concern and collaboration for the greater good. Our logo is red and black. Red is a warm and positive, a semblance of power of our team and our will to become the champions. The color black depicts the intangibles that make up a significant portion of our team, and be it unconventional alteration and modification that we stumbled upon or had to resort to our sacrifices done throughout the duration of this project, without which our end product will not have been materialized. These all add a certain X factor to what we brought to the table now. Inspiringly, dedication and due diligence are the corners of our project, and I for one have the utmost confidence in my teammates, for we wear our heart in our sleeves, and backed by qualified F1 prototype, a comprehensive portfolio, a savvy business and marketing strategies, we will rest away the time from our competitors. That's all from me.
I'm the resource manager of Team Nexus. Financial banking is very important in this project, and as a resource manager, it's my responsibility to lead the way in finding sponsors who would invest in our project by means of collaborative ventures and return of investment. I spearheaded the effort by devising an innovative marketing and procurement of materials through the SGR and DPM. SGR stands for Search Group Return, while DPM stands for Design, Promote and Market. By effecting the SGR technique, we search for sponsors by dividing into two groups based on our expectations on them. The companies that came on board, we divided them into certain groups based on the amount they have invested. Advertising the brand of our potential sponsors as a return of investment was well received. So, the logos and emblems of our potential sponsors were placed on our model and in our portfolio. An acknowledgement of each investment is done through a 4-tier brand system: platinum, gold, silver and bronze, details of which are in our portfolio. Moving on to the concept, Design, Promote and Market, or DPM, was used to create attractive merchandises to be sold to the students and teachers. These are the examples of the merchandise that we sold to the teachers and students. The shirt, and this is the chocolates that we sold. Social media was a useful thing that we use to gain support and feedback from the public. We mainly use Instagram and Facebook. We also use social media to promote the things that we were going to sell, and until now we received good response. The reason we selected social media rather than other things because it is one of the most used applications by handphone and computer users, and it is free for everyone. innovation in marketing and collaborative strategies have helped us to reach out to more people and forge new partnerships. Our team, Nexus, of strategizing new approaches, mainly SGR and DPM and LED, helped us get the corporate financial backing we needed. LED stands for Learn, Analyze and Develop. It is also used as a management evaluation tool to diagnose problem areas in our strategies so that they could be improved upon. Finally, in terms of collaboration, we signed an MOU or Memorandum of Understanding with Merlimau Polytechnic in Melaka that have benefited us in the areas of designing and manufacturing. Experts from Merlimau Polytechnic helped us in designing and manufacturing by advising us on the raw materials that are to be used and fine-tuning the speed and performance of the car. In my progress of searching sponsorships, I had high expectation on many companies, but I didn't receive the amount that I expected. So, the two things that I learned by joining this competition is beggars should not be choosers and something is better than nothing. Thank you.
I'm Nikesh, the designing engineer of Team Nexus. So as a designing engineer, it's my responsibility to create a good and innovative design which could enable us to earn the title of F1 in Schools champion. So I used SolidWorks 2014 to bring my design into graphics. Well, I learned SolidWorks 2014 through YouTube and also manually through the internet. Okay, now the designing process is divided into two phases: research and design phase and analyze and fix phase. For the research and design phase, I sketched a design from scratch using the research I've made from the net. And moving on to analyze and fix phase, I analyzed the airflow as well as the lift and drag of my car using flow simulation, which is available on SolidWorks 2014. And after fixing some error, I got a good and satisfying car. Moving on to the concept. The concept of the main body of the car is basically using the concept of flying fish. Flying fish has a good aerodynamic on water, so why not on air? And for the rear wing, we use aerofoil, as aerofoil gives us a quite amount of downforce. And also for the front wing, we did a slope design. It also gives us a stable amount of downforce. And the concept for the side pod is in the motion of Falcon's diving. So we decided to put the air downwards as it could create a slight amount of lift to overcome the drag and also increase the rotation of our wing. Now, what we have here, the main body is the concept of flying fish. Well, flying fish shows a good aerodynamic in water, so why not on air? And for the rear wing, we use the aerofoil concept, as the aerofoil gives us a quite amount of downforce. The same goes to the front wing. We needed downforce for the front wing, so we used the slope design. And now for the side pod. Side pod, we did the motion of the Falcon's diving. So, over that, we decided to put the air downwards, and by that, this could help create a slight lift which could overcome the drag. And also, it helps to increase the rotation on our car's wheel. So being a design engineer is not an easy role. I have gone through some challenges, such as with SolidWorks. With SolidWorks, I had to go through some rebuild errors. And majorly, the biggest challenge I ever had is that I had too many ideas, but I didn't know which was the best one. So I overcome this by talking with my team and asking their opinion. So my product, or more to be said, my car, is most probably a team's car, not an individual one. I hope our car Bloodhound will get to beat the record of F1 School Regional Finals. That's all.
We accept
Each other's weaknesses.
And overcome them
as a team. And that is what makes us Nexus.